That's my girl. Yeah, who's been working so damn hard? You got that head on overload. Got yourself this flawless body aching out from head to toe. Ain't nothing, all my ladies round the world. Ain't nothing, all girls better get mad. You've been down before, you've been hurt before, you got up before. You'll be good to go, good to go. Destiny said that you gotta get up and get it. Get mad independent and don't you ever forget it. Got the world on your shoulder, let me brush it up for you. If you're feeling me, put your five high.